You get it?
Yeah.
Alright, is it on?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Alright, me and Zane took the loss. So
Lincoln beat us fair and square again.
You
already know the deal. You already know the deal.
Yo, from behind.
Lincoln beat us both. Woo! Woo! That's freezing.
Backfire. He's pissed.
Oh no!
Oh, he's freezing. He's pissed. Lincoln, did it come off of our hair and go onto you?
No, it's delicious, yo. I love acid water that's in my cup. I just drink it.
You just drink it.
Oh yeah. I usually do that too. Alright, Lincoln, are we uploading this video or what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have a girlfriend now.